Hello guys, let's start with question number 4, exercise 6.4, mathematics, second year, Karachi board. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this question like 2x square plus 3, and I'm moving this x with dx. Okay, now again using the substitution process, let t equals 2x square plus 3. So now derivating on both sides, dt upon with respect to x, that gives me 4x. Okay, now to get the value of x dx here, I'm going to multiply this dx with x, and I'm moving this 4 into the denominator of d of t, dt upon 4, and this gives me the value of x dx. Okay, now the limits, change the value of the limits by putting 1 by 1 into the value of t. So upper limit, that is 1 square plus 3, that gives 2 plus 3, which is 5, and t equals 2 into minus 2 square plus 3, that gives 2 into 4 plus 3, 2 4s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are our new limits. Now using the substitution method, substituting all the concerned values, that gives t here in place of 2x square plus 3, and in place of the upper limit I'm going to write 5, and lower limit I'm going to write 11. So in place of x dx I'm going to write dt upon 4. Now moving this 1 upon 4 outside, just next to the integral sign, putting the values integral t dt. So that gives me 1 upon 4 integral. I have to just find the integral. So that is 5 and 11. Sorry, there is some t power 1 upon 2 d of t. Okay, now find the integral of t power 1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 1 upon 2 plus 1. Just find the integral and write the limits over here. Okay, 1 upon 4, this gives me t power 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2, 5 and 11, 1 upon 4, and move this 3 upon 2 just now with 1 upon 4, that gives 2 upon 3, and this gives me 3 upon 2, 5, 11, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and this gives me 1 upon 6 t, and the limits are 5 and 11, right? And this is whole power 3 upon 2. Okay, now putting the limits, first put the upper limit, that is 5 whole power 3 upon 2 minus 11 whole power 3 upon 2, bracket closed, 1 upon 6, right? Now simplifying, just break this 5 power 3 upon 2 into 5 into 5 1 upon 2, and 11 into 11 power 1 upon 2, right? So we can write now this in the form 5 1 upon 2. So we introduced the root sign, minus 11 root of 11. Okay, So further we can write this in the form, let's suppose I'm going to write this 5 under root 5, like we can consider this as our answer. Just to get the answer of the book, we are going to just change the form, like I'm going to write this 5 inside the bracket. So if I'm moving this inside and letter outside, this can be 25 into 5 minus, again same procedure with this one, that's 11 into 11, that is 121, or 121 multiplied by 11. So I can write this further in collective multiplication form. 5 into 25, that gives me root of 125, minus, if I multiply 121 with 11, that gives almost 1331. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, in this question, let's suppose that t equals x square plus 3x plus 1, and taking the derivative with respect to x, that gives 2x plus 3. Now you can see here we have 2x plus 3 dx. To get value in terms of t, 2x plus 3 into d of x, we got the value of this, and also x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to t. We are left to just change the limits. There's upper limit and lower limit, that is putting the values, that is t. To change the upper limit, we are going to put 5 into this part, x square plus 3 into 5 into plus 1. So t equals 5 square 25 plus 15 plus 1. So now that is t equals 25 plus 15, 30, 40, 41, right? Next, the lower limit, that is 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1, and that is this whole gives you 0, and you're left with 1. So these are our limits, and we are going to now put the values into the original questions. So the original question be now in the form 41 1 2x plus 3 into dx. In place of 2x plus 3, I'm going to write dt and divided by root of t. Okay, now 41 1, I'm going to move this root of t into the numerator, so I can write this as minus 1 upon 2 dt, right? Now putting the values, finding the integral. So let's suppose write this question here again. I'm going to find the integral t power minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, 41 1, that is t whole power 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. Okay, now this is written as 1 upon 2 whole power 41 upon. Now I'm going to put the limits one by one. First, putting the upper limit 41 whole power 1 upon 2 minus 1 whole power 1 upon 2. These are the values. Now we have substituted, and we can write this as 41 root minus 1 under root. So simply I can write the answer in the form root of 41 and 1. So this is our final answer. Now solving this question, take t equals x square plus x plus 1. It's almost a little bit similar to the previous question. I can take t equals x square plus x plus 1. So finding the derivative with respect to t, that gives 2x plus 1. So here you can see 2x plus 1 whole cube dx, right? So to get the value, that is I'm going to move this dt equals 2x plus 1 dx here. So here you can see, sorry, this 3 is over here with the root 2x plus 1 dx. Now putting the values, or sorry, first changing the limits. First the upper limit, t equals x square, x square in place of x, now we are going to put 2 square plus 2 plus 1, t equals 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. Secondly, the 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is t equals 3. Now putting all the values, putting all the values into the original question, that in place of 2 I'm going to write 7, and in place of 1 I'm going to write 3, and 2x plus 1, place of 2x plus 1 in dx. Sorry, first write this value of which we are going to find the integral, that is t, and in place of 2x and dx I'm going to write dt, that is dt. So 7, 3, and in place of cube root of t I'm going to write 1 upon 3 dt. So integral of 7, 3, t power 1 upon 3 plus 1 divided by 1 upon 3 plus 1, sorry, 7, 3, such mistakes, sorry, t 3, 1, 4 upon 3, you can add up the fraction and 1, that is again 4 upon 3 here we have, and this is 7 and 3, write the limits, taking this 4 upon 3 just next to t, that is 3 upon 4, t power 4 upon 3, 7 and 3, 3 upon 4, t, in place of t I'm going to write 7 minus, place of t I'm going to write 3, 4 upon 3, 3 upon 4, okay. I can break this 7 into 7 power 1 upon 3, minus this one also 3 into 3 power 1 upon 3. So I can write the answer in a form like 7 cube root of 7 minus 3 cube root of 3, and this is our final answer. You can write this as your answer in